Chapter 2. How the Earth Looks. The Earth is very large in size and round in shape. Therefore, we cannot see the whole Earth at one time. Then, how can we see the whole of Earth? The small model of the Earth called globe can help us see the Earth. A globe is round like the Earth, but even on a globe, we can see only half of the Earth at a time. We have to rotate the globe to see the other half. Here is the picture of a globe. It is usually mounted on a stand and has a rod passing through its center. The rod represents the axis of the Earth. The globe can be turned easily around the rod, representing the rotation of the Earth. It is useful for studying different parts of the Earth. The blue color shows the water bodies and red color shows different continents. However, a small globe cannot show all the places on it. To show all the places, we need a huge globe, but it is not easy to carry a huge globe from place to place. These problems can be solved with the help of a map. Map. A map is a drawing of the Earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Maps can be small or large. Sometimes large maps are used which can be put up on a wall. These are called wall maps. Small maps can be folded and carried in bags or pockets. A book of maps is called an atlas. It consists of different maps showing continents, countries, oceans, rivers, and cities. A map on which the whole surface of the Earth is shown is called a world map. Oceans and continents. If you look at the surface of the Earth on a map or a globe, you will find that it has two main parts, water and land. The water bodies on the Earth are shown in blue color. The land is shown in different colors other than blue. Very large bodies of water on the Earth's surface are called oceans. There are 4 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific is the largest ocean. The Arctic is the smallest ocean. Similarly, very large areas of land on the Earth's surface are called continents. There are 7 continents on the Earth: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Continents are divided into smaller parts called countries. Our country, India, lies in the continent of Asia. Directions. Any place can be located on a map with the help of 4 directions. These directions are north, south, east, and west. If you stand in front of a map which is hung on a wall, the top of the map shows the north. The bottom shows the south. The right side indicates the east and the left side shows the west. Compass. A compass is an instrument used to find directions. A compass is like a watch and has a magnetic needle which always points to the north. It is used by sailors and travelers to find their way. Let's understand. Indicate, point out, show. Instrument. A tool designed for exactness. Mounted. Here. fixed for a support. Recap. A small model of the Earth is called a globe. A drawing of the Earth or a part of it on a flat surface is called a map. Very large bodies of water on the Earth's surface are called oceans. Very large areas of land on the Earth's surface are called continents. Any place can be located on a map with the help of four main directions: north, south, east, and west. A compass is an instrument used to find directions.